In this video, you will explore the steps to integrate the getStatus keyword in Avo Assure to get the status of a selected radio button or checkbox in SAP application when automating it. Please note that the getStatus keyword is one that is used specifically to fetch the status for these two types of selections only: radio buttons and checkboxes when automating SAP processes. Begin by adding the first step on the Design Test Steps screen. For this, select RB9_radio BTN as the element name and getStatus as the keyword. Enter GS within curly brackets in the output field to automate. For the second step, select it generic as the element name and display variable value as the keyword to display the variable value created in the first test step. A point to note here is, you must enter the same value as that of the first test step's output field in the second test step's input field. For this demo, the variable created is GS. Then, save the designed test steps. Now, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps and fetch the status of the selected radio button to be automated.